Hey everyone, congratulations. If you're watching this, it means you have successfully completed the Go for Beginner course. I hope this series help you to build a strong foundation in Go programming. So before we wrap up, I want to highlight two important things. All the source code and practice assignments we discussed throughout this course are available on GitHub repository. I encourage you to try out those exercises on your own. Practice is the best way to truly master any programming language, and these assignments are designed to strengthen your Go basics. You will find the repository link in every topic's description and below as well. Now, this course is just a beginning of your Go programming journey. In our upcoming course, which is Go Beyond Basics and Advanced series, we will dive deeper into Go's powerful features, explore real-world use cases, and learn how Go is used in building production grade applications. So if you have enjoyed this beginner series, get ready to level up your skills in next one. Stay tuned to our channel so you don't miss the launch. Thank you so much for learning with me. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel and get notified about the future courses. This is Ashish from Developer Hut, signing off from Go for Beginners. But remember, this is just the start of your journey. Keep coding, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next course, Go Beyond Basics and Advanced series. Happy coding!